Hello, sweathearts. Welcome to tutorial for Vivir, Vida by Marc. Let's get started. We're going to start with the chorus, but we're going to start just with the feet. The arms get a little bit tricky. It's a little bit of a matador feel, flamenco feel in the song. So we're going to work on the feet first. We're going to lead up to the mirror, starting with our right foot. We're going to go 4 times. We go double right, double left, double right, double left. And the right foot rocks forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 5, 6, 7, 8, we're going to hop on that right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Little pony. So again, right foot goes 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Rock right, 2, 3, 4, hop 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're going to pony that around. 5, 6, 7, 8. This time left foot is free to start leading. Left 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Rock left front, back 2, 3, 4, and then on the left foot, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right foot again is free. So as long as you keep on the right feet, eventually it will just lead into the foot naturally. Arms. Whatever foot leads, that hand is going to be on the hip. So we're going to start with the right foot, so we're going to be working the left arm first. We're going to take it across the chest, nice and proud. So we start with the right foot. We go 1 and 2 cross, switch open, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And we rock right, the arm comes down, and then we walk back, the arm comes up, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, we're going to scoop it around, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're going to switch, and we lead on the left. So this time the right arm is working. Left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We rock down 1, back 2, 3, 4, hop around 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see that face in the front. Starting on the right foot, so right arm is on the hip, left arm is working. We start 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 back 2, 3, 4, around 5, 6, 7, 8. Right to the hips, switching out, left and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Rock 1, 2, 3, 4, around 5, 6, 7, 8. Great, let's try the chorus a little bit faster, facing the front. Working that right leg, right hand. Left arm is working. We go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, around 5, 6, get ready to switch, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Rock 1, 2, 3, 4, around 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. All right, section 2. We're going to take that right leg across, a little chassé mambo. So we're going to take it first to the left. We're going to rock right foot, back, double. Left foot, and double. Just nice and easy. We have 8 of these. Ta, 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 rock, and back, and back. The first 4, we're going to have arms just here, mid-level, pulling and pulling. And on the second 4, we're really going to reach up to the sky and pull something that we want down. Grab up and pull something down. So starting with that right foot across, we're going to use the right arm first. We reach 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Now we reach up. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Let's see that first verse coming out of the chorus facing the front. So, left foot, we go. Left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it comes, verse 1. We go 1, 2, cha cha cha. 3, 4, ta ta ta. Again. We have 4 more. Now we reach up to the sky, up and pull down, up, pull down. 2 more. Cha cha cha, cha cha cha. All right, next section is our matador section. This is our third and final section of the song. I'm going to show the feet first. We're going to rock just the right foot, front and back. So it rocks 1, 2, 3 on the diagonal, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Switching sides, left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and chorus. Now the arms are these big matador arms, so imagine a big red cape. We're going to take it in front of the body, up and over, and back of the body. We're just going to do nice and slow. Ta, 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 ta. And we're going to switch sides. We're going to go quick, quick, switch. So nice and slow, facing you first. We go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So figure 8. 7, 8 to go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Chorus. Let's do that section facing the front into the chorus. We just came out of our 8, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Capes 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and cha-cha switch. Rock, pa, 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 ta, ta, ta. One more, ta, ta to go right. 2, 3, 4, rock it back and round. Left foot leads 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So those are our 3 sections to Vivir, Vida. We have first our chorus, which is 4 times up, rocking back, switching sides. Other side, rocking back, switching sides. Into our mambo chasse. Number 4 starting mid-level, and then 4 reaching up to the sky, and then finally our matador with our capes, rocking, 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 quick change, other side, ta, pa, pa, ta, 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 and chorus. That's all the choreography for this one. Let's dance it.